better love me, better love me. You need to love me, girl, gonna love me. I wanna love you, girl, let me love you. I'm trying to love you, I wanna love you. So hit me up.
Hey guys, it's the Financial here, and I am back with another video. So today's video is going to be a lock tour. Now I am approaching my 7 months locked in about 2 weeks, so I wanted to give you guys a full 360 view of how my hair is looking at the half a year mark. So this video is going to be strictly views on my hair, and I'm going to also point out a few of my favorite locks for you guys. So let's get right into it. Okay, you guys, so that's all that I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed 360 views of my locks. And if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them for me in the comment section below, and I will be sure to get back to you. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.